Organization. Alhamdulillah, this is all from Allah. All of this izzah is from Allah. But youth club is so unique, mashallah, on many levels. We have so many activities, subhanAllah. It's so busy. The brothers and sisters, the dedicated brothers and sisters, they're very busy, subhanAllah. So, obviously make dua for them, support them as you can, much as you can. We have halaqah, we have courses, we have workshops. This is one of many. We are very active in university campuses, mashallah. We provide counseling, we provide advice. And I guess, there is obviously the official intro of Youth Club, which is, mashallah, we are a registered with the government, we're a Youth Club trust, and we're a non-profit organization. We're here to provide advice and dawah to the youth. But I would say one of the many key ingredients of Youth Club is that the members of the brothers and sisters members of Youth Club have also lived a life away from Islam. They were completely away from Islam. And by the mercy of Allah, they were guided. And now the mistakes they did, they don't want you guys to do the same mistake. That's why we do these workshops. We don't want you to do the same mistakes again. So we lived that life. We were in a dark place sometimes. May Allah forgive us. Allah guided us, and now we want to connect with you guys. We want to connect with the youth of Islamabad, of Pakistan. Alhamdulillah, we have branches in Karachi, we have branches in Lahore, and there's other cities coming up as well, inshallah. So there is that classic question after I've talked about Youth Club, which is, which I get all the time, Nadeem bhai, how do I join Youth Club? Yeah, that's that famous question. You're gonna have to make your own. You're gonna have to find out your own way how to join Youth Club. But I would say that you, as guys who've been with Youth Club, we're initiative takers. We take initiative of projects. So whatever skills you have, you can provide, you can help, and do it for the sake of Allah. So that's what Youth Club is in a nutshell. If you want more information, the brothers and the sisters have a dawah store. You can ask them, inshallah, and they will answer all your queries, inshallah. Okay, so coming to the presenter today, Raja Zia Ul Haq. Raja Zia Ul Haq. Some brothers call him Rajaji, some people call Zia, I call him bro. That's how we roll, mashallah. There is the formal introduction that, mashallah, you studied in Portsmouth University, did a master's in Canberra. I've kind of memorized all this now, so I've seen the video so much. Are you going to play today? No, okay, so I think one of the mashallah specialities of Bro Zia is the way he prepares for his events. Me and another brother, we had the opportunity to speak to him and ask him, how do you prepare these events, mashallah? And his research is thorough. His research is thorough, it's relevant, it's modern. But also, he's going to stick to the Quran and Sunnah, because that's the basis of all knowledge. So mashallah, to put the classic knowledge and modern knowledge together, I think Bro Zia has a speciality, mashallah. Please make dua for him. He's a tireless worker, mashallah. He gives lectures all over universities, all over Islamabad, and across the country, and soon, inshallah, maybe around the world as well, inshallah. And I think we need more brothers like Bro Zia, who prepare very well and present very well, using multimedia, using all his talents, inshallah. So that was a very, very, very brief introduction for Bro Zia. He's here, so I don't want to embarrass him anymore, inshallah. And just one last point, which I will probably repeat at the end as well, and this is something which I'm very, very passionate about. The thing is, I don't know why you've come here. Maybe you've come here because you saw the hype on social media, the memes. Maybe your friends say, look, chalo. I was looking at the event page, and the typical comments is, kya khayal hai? Tag someone, chalna, kya khayal hai? Yaar nahi ye. So you probably went along with that. That's fine. Some of you may be here to look for, actually not look for, maybe, dua Allah, you'll find a spouse. Aaj mujhe beewi mil jaye. Aaj mujhe husband mil jaye. The thing is, look, it's not that kind of event. Sorry to burst your bubble. This is not a matrimonial service, but there are some aunties in here. Approach them and do it the proper way, which Bro Zia will explain to you, inshallah. So I don't want to see any free mixing outside. Hey, look, ijazat hai. None of that business, yeah? Okay. So, but the thing is, on a serious note, brothers and sisters, the whole point we're doing these events, QaboolHai, Love Struck, Age of Fitness, Sinless, all the other events, mashallah, which have been very, very successful. The reason why we're doing these events is for you to share it with others. Those people outside Islam and other cities, not even the bigger cities, but I'm talking about the Sialkot, the Faistabad, the Northwest, Balochistan. These guys, they don't get to experience these events, and they don't experience the knowledge. So I want you guys, actually I'm going to ask a question. How many of you are on Facebook? Okay. The right question should be how many of you are not on Facebook? Okay. Okay, how many do you have Instagram? Okay. Now it gets interesting. How many of you use Snapchat? I know, Molvi, Snapchat, what's going on? Okay, brothers and sisters, and I'll repeat this point at the end. For a change, tonight, rather than sharing a picture of your pilau or biryani and put on Instagram, or rather than do the old duck face selfie, yeah? So for a change tonight, take some notes, take some mental notes, the good notes, take some pictures, obviously of each other, not the sisters, the brothers at the stalls of the event, and share it with your friends and family. How about that? Are you guys agree to do that? Yeah? If we do that, inshallah, we can get the message across, because the whole point of this event is to change society. So we all we submit to Allah, and we do things, we live a good life, we live a productive life, but we do it according to Allah, that Allah is pleased with us. That's the whole point. So, and we can do this, inshallah, yeah? And that's what I'm saying. I will repeat this point again, inshallah. So I'm very passionate about that. So, I'll just come to the schedule, which I don't have, but I'll kind of wing it. I think we're going to start with the recitation. Inshallah, recitation first. Then Rozial's going to come and start his presentation. And I think the first break is at 1 o'clock, I believe. Yeah, for about half an hour?
1 hour.
1 hour break, guys. Which doesn't mean that you go home. That's a yakya boss event. No. The whole point of the hour event is to have some refreshments, pray salah, and hopefully you enjoy your salah, check out the stalls, pick up literature, and do some networking, inshallah. So, without further ado, I'll call on Brother Ali to start the recitation. Jazakallah khair.